Hi guys, in front of me is Huawei Mate 20X, and let me show you how to use codes, the secret codes. At first, open your phone dialer and keypad is the place where you can enter any code that is working on this device. Let me show you just some of them. The first one, pretty short, is *#06#. And as you can see, this one will provide you the device information. So whenever you look for email or serial number, just enter this code and they are displayed right in front of you. Tap on OK to exit, and now you can use another code, which is *##225 #**. Here you've got the calendar info. So in this panel, all upcoming events will be displayed right in front of you. You will not forget about any of them. Let me go back. It's all for this one. And another code that you can use is *##, 426 *##. And here you've got the FCM diagnostic mode, in which you can check events and status whenever you want to explore it a bit more, when you want to get a bit more knowledge, tap on more icon and select advanced view. And here you've got it. So this is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.